Alright guys, so if you are farming the grass airdrop, I think you should pay a rapt attention to this video, because this video is very important, as it is going to be providing you with a lot of important insights about the grass airdrop and what you should be expecting to avoid getting scammed, and the amount of airdrop reward you should be expecting. So a lot of things are going to be discussed right on this video, so make sure you're watching till the end. Do not skip any part of this video. All right, so before we start the video properly, remember we do give out Tonecoin to our community members. So if you're interested in getting Tonecoin from us, make sure that you have subscribed, like this video, share this video, and drop a very nice comment over there on the comment section. And with that, you are going to be among the people that will be choosing to get Tonecoin on weekend. All right, that is on Sunday. So right now guys, without wasting time guys, let's now get started with the video properly, which is basically the important thing you need to know about the grass airdrop. All right, so quickly right here, this is a comparison between the season 1 and the season 2. All right, so looking over here, you can see there are much differences between the both season 1 and season 2. So the difference is too much, and I think you should pay close attention so that you get to understand it. So over here guys can see this is of course a quick comparison to of the season 1 and season 2. Okay, so this is right here, season 1 versus season 2 comparison. It says the first thing that they talked about is the token allocation. Okay, that was the first thing that was discussed right here. And after that guys, you can see on season 1 you can see about 100 million grass was actually brought out for this. This is a total of 10% of the total supply. So 100 million was actually shared during the season 1, but right now on season 2 you can see that 170 million to 320 million grass is actually brought out for this, and this made up of 17% to 32% of the grass total supply. This actually puts the season 2 at the higher pedestal. It is way bigger than the season 1. So if you're the type of person who haven't started with this grass airdrop, you are missing out big time. And the good news is that you still have a lot of time to participate and be eligible for this airdrop. So I'll be talking about that at the end of this video. So the second thing right here is the eligibility. That is how you can be able to be eligible for the grass airdrop. So over here guys, you can see that for you to be eligible for the season 1, you can see you are required to have at least 500 grass points before October 14th 2024. It doesn't just end here, because I participated on the season 1, and there are a lot of things that were involved, like getting to connect your wallet. I'll be talking about that at the end of the video. So over here on the season 2 as well, you can see for you to be eligible, you need to have a minimum of 500 points, and you can get 500 points within 24 hours. That's the beautiful part of this. You can get that 500 wallet, and you can see not just that, 500 points across epoch 1 to epoch 12. We are currently on the epoch 12 with wallet linked pre-snapshot, that is before the snapshot. So we are going to be talking about how to link your wallet, where you can be able to link your wallet. Also I'll be talking about how you can get to mine 3 times faster. So the next thing that was actually discussed right here is the distribution date. All right, so over here you can see the distribution date of the season 1 was of course at October 28th. Okay, so that was when the season 1 was actually distributed. Okay, but the season 2 is expected to be distributed starting maybe any moment from November to December. All right, so it is very likely to be within November to and December. That's when we are going to have the season 2 distributed. And over here, the next thing that we are going to be talking about is participants. So over here right now, you can see, according to this person's analysis, a big shout out to Datify. I'll be posting his X account on the screen. You can give him a follow. I mean, for bringing out these updates, I mean, this full write-up right here, I really appreciate him. So you can go out and give him a follow. That's a very interesting guy right there. So right now guys, you can see we have the season 1 participants to be around 2.8 million users from 190 countries. And of course right here you can see on this season 2 it is expected to be bigger and rewarding consistent activity. So the season 2 is nowhere there's no doubt season 2 is going to be way bigger than the season 1. So now the another thing we are going to be talking about is a reward system. So on the season 1, the reward was fully distributed, all right, so to everyone who participated, including myself. So on this season 2, you can see over here that it is going to be based on farming activity, and of course, the snapshot is pending, so you still have a lot of chance to get to join before it's too late. So over here it is very simple. So the guy even went ahead to tell us a lot of other things about the grass airdrop, which is basically how to position yourself. So it is very simple. All you need to do is simply just sign up using the link on the video description box. Then you go ahead and link your Solana wallet before the snapshot. Remember, the snapshot is going to be around any moment from November and December, so you have a lot of time to be part of this. All right, so over here guys, you can see the season 2 airdrop is not yet live, and you should ignore any fake news circulating everywhere, so be careful out there. And of course, he went ahead to tell us what we should be expecting on this season 1, though it may not be up to $500, but something like that is realizable, maybe $100 and above. You can easily get that on this season 2 if you join us very early. So let's talk about some other few things. Like I already said, for you to get started with this airdrop, it is very, very simple, extremely very easy. So the first thing you need to do to be part of this airdrop is to first of all go ahead and sign up your account. All right, so once you sign up your account, you are going to be having something like this. So after that guys, you need to go ahead right here to your browser, then you go ahead and search for grass extension like this. Okay, so just type in grass extension and search for it. So once the website opens up like this, then you go ahead and click on this first one, grass light node. You click on it, and immediately it opens up. Then you are going to be seeing something like add to Chrome right here. Add to Chrome, because I've already added it, that is why it is saying remove. So you add it to Chrome. After you add it, then you go ahead and search for it right here. For example, you can see mine right here. You open it up, set it up, and you are basically going to be logging into it. And once you log into it, it is going to be connecting here automatically. So once it gets connected automatically, you have started farming grass airdrop. Also, we have the application. You can simply go to the Play Store, download the app, then get to start using it, because if you are mining through the app, you are going to be getting 3 times reward. Okay, so right now guys, coming over here to reward, click on reward. Okay, so once click on reward, you need to make sure that you get to connect your email, add your email, verify your wallet, then verify your wallet inside your email. Then you are going to be having something like this. With this being done, you are now fully set. So if you want to download the app, simply click on download app like this. Then depending on the type of device you are using, you can see all of them right here. For example, if you are using a mobile phone, you can see using a mobile phone app to mine is going to be giving you 3 times speed, but using a desktop, you are going to be getting 2 times speed. All right, so it is as simple as that. This is basically all you need to know right now about the comparison between the grass airdrop season 1 and season 2. Currently we are on season 2 and we are expecting the best reward. All right, so if you haven't yet started, this is a very good opportunity for you. The link is going to be right there on the video description box. Do not fade out, and make sure to participate on this, and you'll be very grateful that you saw this video in the nearest time. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that is going to be dropping very, very soon.